Alright, so a lot of times after a winter, the hose, your return hose, will crack. It'll get water inside and it will crack the hose and it will be no good. So I ordered a new hose on Amazon and it came in. It actually comes with two hoses, one for the return and one for the suction. So there's two hoses in here. I only need one personally because you can see I have PVC here. Alright, so it's real easy to do. Just take your old one off. Sometimes these have been on there a long time, they don't want to come out. So you just give it a, move it around a little bit. You see how green that is. And sometimes it's good just to replace them because sometimes you get algae inside the pipe and it stays in there, and then when you go start up your pool next season, you get a bunch of algae bloom coming out. So it's good to replace them every so often. Take this one off. Alright, so yeah, this hose it's not ripped, but you can see it's very dirty and green stuff inside. New clamps. Alright, so just put this one on, and it's a very tight fit. Alright, so you get it onto your pipe, and once it's on, make sure it's nice and tight, okay? And then we'll go to put the same thing over here. Get your clamp on. This goes on here, and then just give it a nice tighten. Alright, so that's it. That's how you put a new hose on. And it's the same thing for the other, for the intake, the water intake going into the pump. If you got to replace that, same thing. There's actually two clamps there. So again, it does come with the 4 clamps. There's 2 here and there's 2 new ones on there. And it's a good thing in the winter, so these don't go bad, is to remove them and then put them back on after the winter's over, if you have harsh winters. But that's pretty much it. I'll put a link in the description on where you can pick up these hoses at from Amazon.